Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best women's country dress on the market, the BEAUDRM Women's Plus Size Western Dress. This dress is truly a standout choice for anyone looking to embrace that perfect cowgirl vibe with style, comfort, and a touch of boho flair. From the moment you lay eyes on this dress, it's clear that attention to detail has been given the utmost importance. The floral embroidered design adds a gorgeous, authentic Western charm, reminiscent of classic Mexican-style dresses. Its rich brown color complements the intricate embroidery perfectly, making it versatile enough to pair with everything from cowboy boots to strappy sandals. The dress is crafted from 100% polyester, which ensures it's lightweight and flowy, ideal for those warm summer days or outdoor events. The fabric drapes beautifully over the body, flattering various plus sizes with its A-line silhouette. It features a sweetheart neckline and short sleeves, which strike a balance between casual and feminine. And the ruffle hem adds a playful touch that enhances the dress's flowy movement. Functionality hasn't been overlooked either. The pull-on closure means it's easy to slip on and off, making it convenient for daily wear or last-minute plans. Plus, it's machine washable, which is a huge bonus for easy care and maintenance. Whether you're heading to a country concert, a casual day out, or even a summer party, this dress is designed to keep you comfortable while looking effortlessly stylish. It's a great pick for those who want a blend of Western aesthetics with modern plus-size fashion. Pair this dress with your favorite accessories, think statement earrings, layered necklaces, or a classic cowgirl hat, to complete the look. And don't forget those boots or cute sandals depending on the occasion. This dress transitions seamlessly from day to night, making it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. In terms of sizing, BEAUDRM offers a range from large plus to 4 extra large plus, accommodating various body shapes and sizes. Just be sure to check the size chart carefully to find your perfect fit before ordering. Overall, the BEAUDRM Women's Plus Size Western Dress combines charm, comfort, and style into one beautiful package. If you're looking for a country-inspired dress that celebrates curves and offers great quality, this is definitely a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more honest product breakdowns, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.